Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this easiest cushion cover. For this we need to make a giant granny square just like this. So I hope you all know how to make granny square, and if you don't know, just comment me down. I will upload a small video of how to make granny square. And for this we need to make giant granny square. You can just measure the size of your cushion, and according to that you can make a giant granny square. And we will join the corners like this. We will not join the entire corners, but we will start from half of the sides, and we will insert our hook, and then we will join the top side corners of all the four sides of this granny square. And we will join it like this with one single crochet in each of the back loops. Since this is very easy to make, I have not covered very detailed video. I have just covered in the video that how we can join it, and you can use any color choice of your choice. Here I have used sunflower color shades, so I have used dark yellow and light yellow and brown, and you can use any color choice, any color of your choice. So once we are done with joining, just like I am doing for one side, we will join all four sides like this until the top of the corner. We will join all four sides and then cut our thread. Just like this I will join half of all four sides. So I am done with joining all four sides. Now I have made one loop also at one of the corner, and you can make it at any of the corner. Just make sure that where you are making this single crochet loop, chain loop, you will have to attach the button on that corner only. And now we can insert our cushion easily inside the cover. Insert it properly so that the cover should cover the entire cushion properly. And once it is covered, we will just take the loop that we made just below the button. We will just insert it into, pass it through all four corners, and then we will close it onto our button. Just pass it simply and then close it onto our button. So just like this we have learned how to make this easy and beautiful cushion cover. So I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.